Getting ready to install ThermalBuck on a rough opening for a 6-foot wide window, 5-foot tall. What we're using today are L-pin series, so they want an extra 1/4 inch on each side. Then we need an extra 1/2 inch on each side for the ThermalBuck. We've already checked to make sure everything's plumbing level. We've shimmed a sill on the inside to make sure that we're starting with a nice level surface. So we'll grab our piece of ThermalBuck here and we'll start putting some sealant on. We're putting 3 beads on the back of it. That way we get a good solid air and water seal. Go ahead and put the bottom seal in first. We start with that. And the reason for the thin inside is to help us get a good solid bite. And as you can see, you want to make sure it's very tight up against the wall. What I usually do is pull in one hammer. There you go. Just like Thomas did, pull in with one hand and nail with the other. That way you stay nice and tight. We've got a nice porous area where we cut the ThermalBuck, and then we go straight into installing the jam pieces. We're going to go with the head piece finally. Getting a Dow 758 put on. That locks that joint very tight till the sealant sets. We're going to let this cure. Then after 24 hours we can come back and we can install the windows.
You good on that?
Yeah. Now we're going to check for square and plumb, and then we'll start installing the screws. Bead that goes right along the joint of the ThermalBuck and the wood frame itself, and then we do where the window meets the ThermalBuck. We smooth it out, making sure that we've got good penetration into the seam.